Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my strategy for pre-level puzzles and setting arrangement. This video is for those who have just started their banking preparation and don't know how to solve pre-level puzzles in less than 5 minutes. Here I will mention both video source and free quizzes that you can use for practice. But first, let's be familiar with the types of puzzles and setting arrangement that are asked in these exams. So here you can see date, month and year based puzzles, box based puzzles, flat and floor based puzzles, designation based puzzles, and in sitting arrangement there are linear sitting arrangement and circular sitting arrangement. These are the types of puzzles that are generally asked in bank exams. So let me first give you the example. Like you can see, these are the month based puzzles, and this is month with date based puzzles, and this is flat and floor based puzzles where floors are given and flats are mentioned, and this is box based puzzles in which you will be given 6 or 8 boxes and you have to arrange in this manner. And this is the example of designation based puzzles where designation either in increasing or decreasing order will be there, like CM, GM, PO and clerk, and you have to write in this manner. And this is the example of linear based puzzles. Like in linear based puzzles, 6 or 8 persons will be there in a row and they will be either facing inward or outward. And this is the example of circular sitting arrangement. This you can solve in circular form or in thread form also. In my upcoming videos, I will explain each type in detailed manner. Let's come to the sources now. You can use two type of sources, video source and free quizzes, and also free PDFs for practice. So in video source, I used Current Affair Funda channel, or you can use any of the channel which you find suitable. All you have to do is to just watch the video and try to learn the way to write down the conditions in a brief manner. Because in puzzles, writing condition is very important. In case you miss any of the conditions, then you may stuck in exam and this will kill your time. Once you're done with this video, practice from free PDF source from Google. This you can download from Google and practice without timer. I would say try to solve at least 5 puzzles in a day and then increase to 10 to 12 puzzles. After completing both video source and free PDFs, switch to practice from quizzes. And for quizzes, you can use these 3 platforms: Practice Mock, Smartkeeda, Careers Cloud. Here you will find so many free quizzes with timer. Initially you will see that you take 10 minutes to solve one puzzle, but try to reduce it to 5 minutes and eventually to 2 to 3 minutes. By using these sources, I scored 35 out of 35 in reasoning in IBPS clerk. So follow this source and start practicing. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my upcoming videos.